guys, it's Victoria X-Ray here, and today's vlog is going to be kind of different because I suck at vlogging, that's why. I'm going to do a mukbang, a Japanese food mukbang at the beginning, and then I'm going to cut to me going into love hotels while I'm drunk. It's totally random, but this is the footage that I had, and I wanted to show you guys the love hotels in Japan. I never got a chance to actually check into one and like see what they're all about, but I still wanted to show it to you, even though I'm drunk and even though it doesn't really fit together in this vlog. Here it is anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get into the mukbang, however you say it, right here. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick mukbang of all this food. One of the things I already discovered was completely not tofu, it was fish. So I didn't eat that. But we're gonna figure out this other stuff here. This is the beauty of not being able to read Japanese. So we're gonna start with these thingies. They look really cool. I have no idea what they are. I think they're like, what are they called again? Rice balls?
Danko.
Danko. Those not taste healthy.
Really?
So they mush up the rice a lot, and then it's like really kind of like chewy.
Dango.
Dango?
Getting my Japanese wrong.
It's savory sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just like some vegetables. They make their food really good here. It just looks like this, just vegetables. I'm gonna eat this with chopsticks. Okay, let's try this. What are these things? What kind of vegetable is this? It's the crunchy...
Oh no. I think it might be papaya.
What?
Papaya.
It's not a papaya!
No wait, the rigid thing. Oh, it's celery, right? Is
No,
that celery?
this. Taste it.
Oh no, I'm getting totally mixed up. That's bitter melon.
Bitter melon?
Bitter melon, yeah.
So here's some more like veggie stuff. It has like some seaweed thingies.
Why are you making me try? I live here.
I know, but what is it?
I have no idea.
I think that might be a watercress, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this is seaweed. Seaweed in this. It comes with a dressing.
You gotta be careful though, because like sometimes they've got fish in it. No, it's just an oil dressing.
Okay.
Just don't be so hasty.
Okay, thanks. The texture is very interesting. This stuff is a little
That means
slimy.
bad, yeah.
No, I like it. It's just there's some slime in this one. Should zoom in on this stuff. So I guess the okra isn't. Yeah, this is slimy. What's with the slime? What's that?
Good mix with rice.
Yeah, probably good mixed with rice.
Yeah.
No, I'm just trying like one of everything, but then like I'll eat what I like the best. I love the way that they make cucumbers here. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite so far. What's that blue thing in there? What is that?
It's a baby aubergine.
What?
Eggplant, baby eggplant.
Oh, what'd you call it?
Aubergine.
Aubergine?
I'm not sure if I'm even saying that correctly in my language.
Is that? So I'm opening this pack right here, but you said this is. Why is it blue though? This isn't an eggplant.
Eggplant.
No, it's not.
It's eggplant.
That's not eggplant.
That is.
That is not an eggplant. What is that?
You're eating alien food.
It looks like an alien. It's blue because eggplants aren't blue.
I think they pickle it. Like a baby pickled eggplant thing.
It's really good. I just don't know what it is. It's just random too. It's just like, there's like this stuff, which I don't know what it is, and cucumbers, and then like this random blue thing right in there. And this is a cucumber. That all is actually really good. So he said this is how they make eggs here.
It's really common. I can't remember what they call it. It's just like a weird omelette thing they do. Oh, just slither it out.
Just slither that out. It's really good. I could eat this whole thing in one sitting. So the last thing I'm gonna try now is this tofu and what was the fruit?
Well, I hope it's tofu.
Yeah, or
in the tofu
fish.
section.
Yeah, it does feel like tofu, so I think he's right about that.
Cross between a grapefruit and a lime.
It tastes like lemon tofu.
No, it says yuzu in Japanese on it.
Really? Because that's
Yeah.
in lemon.
Yuzu. That's what yuzu looks like.
Interesting. So that is my taste test. Everything was 10 out of 10.
Smell that.
Sauce made from yuzu.
Yeah. it's dope.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, it's really good.
Tastes like lemon though. Why don't they just?
It's yuzu. Stop saying it's fucking yuzu, alright?
But it just tastes like lemon though.
It's like a hybrid lemon
Oh.
that you can only get in Japan.
Yeah. That's some of the food here. And you guys were asking about it, so there you go. Everyone's been telling me to eat ramen, but like, what?
Sorry, nothing.
Ramen. But
Finally.
a lot of ramen here is what, made with like meat broth or something. So
It's only made with meat broth.
he says it's only made with meat broth, so I can't really be eating that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang, whatever you guys call it. I'm gonna go and actually like eat the rest of all of this. Okay, bye. So that was the mukbang portion of this vlog. Now we're gonna go to Tokyo at nighttime, where everyone gets drunk and checks into the love hotels. So I got drunk for the sole purpose of fitting in with the culture. And that's why I got drunk. So, a love hotel, as I explained really slurred coming up, there's not a lot of space in Tokyo, so people actually check in to love hotels because a lot of people live with their parents, a lot of people don't have room. So check in love hotels to, I don't know, what's the PG version for YouTube? Here, have a look at the nightlife. Look at his face. He's saying there must be more to this provincial life right now. That's what he's saying. There must be more to this provincial life.
Say I'm sorry. Gomenasai. Gomenasai.
Gomenasai?
Yeah, gomenasai.
Just
Just say it. They
Watch out, she hates gaijin.
boyfriend.
I hate gaijin.
These are my friend.
Yeah, this is my boyfriend.
Oh, really?
Cheating. He's cheating.
I'm cheating.
He's my boyfriend. He's my boyfriend.
Together.
Do you know YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do YouTube.
Oh, wow. For living?
Yes.
Oh my god, you know YouTube? That is.
That's so annoying.
Go away. Yeah,
What?
yeah.
He's beautiful. Don't. He's beautiful.
He looks like Joker.
She kissed this man, he's handsome as fuck, okay? Why not? I'll kiss him.
Beautiful.
It tastes like pineapple and coconut,
But it's 9%.
but it's 9%. Which I've had like 3 9%, by the way.
Victoria's fucked up.
So math. What percentage is that? I gotta pee again. Alright. So anyways, this is another love hotel. And as you can see, love is in the air in Japan.
I think you scared him away from this cool love hotel.
This is a cool one.
They don't want to fuck coming
They
past
don't
you.
want to fuck at this one. That was an immediate turn off.
Why don't you go inside? Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. Come on guys, let's go inside this. So, and whenever you enter, it's like this. That's private. Shh. A lot of vegetables because vegetables makes everything healthy.
You're drunk. Why has he got this weird display in here? This place is for fucking. Why?
Someone got lucky. Goals. Someone got lucky. Goals. People are interested in this stuff though because they don't have these types of things.
It's really strange. Yeah.
It's coming.
This one's got like karaoke and stuff and everything. Go for it.
Karaoke is a Japanese word, as well as buka.
Poke.
Buka, as they
Poke.
say.
Whatever. It's buka. It's buka in America. It's buka in America.
Buka.
It's buka in America.
Sounds like a sex move.
No, buka is whenever you blur the background in a photography. Let's go. There's someone behind the curtain.
Oh, there's one free now.
Oh, there's a room free for us.
Excuse me?
There's a room free for us.
Excuse me?
Yes. But we're not going in because he's gay and I'm straight. You don't actually have to see anybody. Nobody sees who you are. You enter the information. So pricing here is probably for a rest is like 2 hours, which you can like probably
3,000.
finish there, which is like $30. 3,000 yen is like $30, or you can stay the whole night, which is a different price.
5 to 6.
Expensive. So that's a Love Hotel. I'm gonna have the prices right up there, but yeah. Okay. At the end of the long night, take the metro home. It's very common on the metro for people to fall asleep on each other. People work a lot, and by the end of the day, they're just super tired. And so I just decided to do that as well to demonstrate to you guys. And that's what I did right here. And that is going to conclude this vlog. Again, I know I'm sorry I was all over the place, but I still hope that you enjoyed the content. I only have a few more Japan vlogs coming up, and then I need a new adventure. So comment below what you guys think. Oh wait, stay extraterrestrial. I forgot to say that. Stay extraterrestrial. Subscribe, turn on notifications. Okay, bye.